Hello students, how are you all? I hope all is well. I am Anuja ma'am. Welcomes you to the next session of our number systems. Today we are going to learn about the BCD numbers. BCD numbers are nothing but binary coded decimal numbers. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. Now these numbers includes 0 to 9 numbers. Like this decimal number also includes how many numbers? 0 to 9. So similarly BCD numbers also includes by 0 to 9 numbers. Now what is BCD? BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal का मतलब क्या है कि every digit in the decimal is converted into 4-bit binary. It is represented in 4-bit binary. Okay, these are weighted codes like the decimal number system जो है वो भी weighted code system है. वैसे ही BCD कोड जो है वो भी weighted कोड है, यानी कि 8421 जो कोड हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं वही हम यहाँ पर यूज़ करने वाले हैं. Okay, let us see now how to convert any decimal number to the BCD number. So let us take one example as 25 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base BCD. Now what is asked here is 25 to the base 10, यानी कि ये कौन सा नंबर है? ये डेसिमल नंबर है. Okay, let us start with this solution. How to do? First of all, write down the decimal number as it is. Okay, and keep some space in the digits. Okay, so 25 में मैंने 2 और 5 में कुछ space रखी है. And after that I have marked here arrows below every digit of the decimal and write down 4-bit binary of this respective digit. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 2 के लिए जो बाइनरी कोड है वो क्या है? 0010. 5 के लिए क्या है? 0101. सो द कंप्लीट BCD फॉर द 25 इज 00100101. Okay, so this is how you are going to write down the answer. This is just an integer number. Now we will take one example of this real number. 305.29 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base BCD. So 305.29, I have written all these numbers with some space in between, and I have marked here some arrows below every digit, and what you should write here, the binary code for every decimal digit. सो 3 के लिए डेसिमल क्या है? 0011. 0 के लिए क्या है? 0000. 5 के लिए क्या है? 0101. 2 0010 and for 9 it is 1001. So what is my complete BCD number for 305.29 is the BCD for 305, okay, point, and then the BCD for this 29. So this is my complete BCD. Okay, this is how you are going to write down the answer for the BCD numbers. BCD क्या होता है? Binary coded decimal. So here we are going to write down 4-bit binary for every decimal number and it includes only 0 to 9. यानी कि 10 के लिए हम कैसे लिखेंगे वो हम नेक्स्ट चार्ट में देख रहे हैं. ओके, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट BCD includes 0 to 9 numbers and we are going to write down 4-bit binary for every digit. Okay, in this chart you can see the difference between the binary and BCD clearly. See this chart, I have shown here the decimal numbers from 0 to 15 and the respective binary codes for 0 to 15. As we know, by using 8421 we have written all these binary codes. Then for BCD number, you know that BCD number includes how many numbers? 0 to 9 only. So you can see here the binary numbers for 0 is 0000 and BCD also 0000. For 1 it is 0001, BCD also 0001. Similar to that, 9 is 1001 in binary and 9 is written 1001 in BCD also. So it is similar to the binary. But in case of the number 10, just look at this. 10 number is written in binary as 1010. This is a binary of the 10. But in BCD, how we are writing? We are writing the 4-bit binary for 1 and 4-bit binary for 0. You can see here 4-bit binary for 1, that is 0001. This is a binary number, 4-bit binary number for the digit 1 and 4-bit binary number for digit 0. So it is 10. Okay, so separately we are writing. So this complete number is a BCD number for 10. Okay, then 11. 11 के लिए जो बाइनरी कोड है वो क्या है 1011. ओके, दिस वी हैव स्टडीड बाय यूजिंग व्हाट 8421 कोडिंग. लेकिन 11 के लिए जो BCD है वो क्या है, 1 के लिए 4-बिट बाइनरी लिखना है, दूसरे 1 के लिए दूसरा 4-बिट बाइनरी लिखना है. सो 0001 0001, दिस कंप्लीट 8 बिट्स जो है ये अपना BCD नंबर है फॉर द 11. ओके, देन 12 के लिए कैसे आएगा, 1 और 2 के लिए सेपरेटली हमें 4-बिट बाइनरी नंबर्स लिखने हैं. सो 4-बिट बाइनरी नंबर 1 के लिए क्या आएगा 0001 और 2 के लिए क्या आएगा 0010. So this is complete BCD number for the 12. Then this is complete BCD number for the 13. Then this is BCD for 14. This is BCD for 15. And similarly, we have to find out BCD for every digit. Okay. So we can write down every number in the BCD number. So this is the difference between the binary and BCD. And that's why I have shown this chart to you people. Okay. Okay, now we will see the BCD arithmetics, that is BCD addition. Okay, we can see here the BCD addition. Let us take two examples. First one, we will start with 6 to the base 10 plus 7 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base BCD. That means the addition is asked in the BCD. The numbers are given in the decimal. Okay, so as you know that when we have done the binary addition, we needed to convert the decimal number into binary number. Similarly here we are adding in the BCD form, so we need to convert these decimal numbers into BCD. So let us begin with the solution. Now first step, what to do, this 6 which is given in the decimal is to be written in the BCD form. So 6, it will be how you will write in the BCD, it will be 0110. Okay, and 7 in the decimal form which is given, we have to write it in BCD form, so 0111. This is what the BCD numbers for 6 and 7. Now this includes from 0 to 9. BCD numbers includes the numbers from 0 to 9, and these numbers are 6 and 7. So we are directly writing for every digit, we are writing the binary 4-bit binary number. Okay, so let us begin with the next step, that is addition. So what is actually the 6 plus 7 in the arithmetics? When we do the decimal addition, we know that the answer should be 13. Okay, so let us see how we are getting the answer 13 in the BCD form. So what is the BCD for 6? It is 0110. What is the BCD for 7? So 0111. Start addition bit by bit. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 times 1 are added. So what is the answer? Summation 1 and carry 1. So 1 with carry 1. And 0 plus 0 plus 1. So it will be 1. So what will be my answer is 1101. Actually this answer is 13. You can see this using 8421 coding. This is 8 plus 4 plus 1. So it becomes 13. But this is not BCD, because you know we have just now discussed that BCD numbers includes the numbers from 0 to 9. So this number 13 is beyond 9, right? So we can't write the 13 number. This is a binary number for 13. But I want BCD addition, so I want the answer in BCD, and this is not the BCD number for 13. Okay, so this is invalid. This is considered to be invalid. So what I have written here is the answer is invalid. So what to do to make this valid BCD? Okay, so what we will do is, if this answer is coming invalid, what you will do is you will have to add 6 in this invalid number. Okay, we are adding 6 in this invalid number to make the valid BCD. Okay, सो 1101 में हमने क्या किया है, 6 को ऐड किया है. 6 को ऐड किया है मतलब बाइनरी में हमने उसको ऐड किया है. सो इट विल बी 0110. सो एडिंग दिस व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, सी 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0 with carry 1. So 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. Okay, so what I am getting is 0011. These 4 bits, it is what, this represents what, 3, and this only 1. So we are inserting here 3 zeros to make it 4 bit, and what I am getting here is 1. That means summation, this I am getting, actually this I am getting as sum and this I am getting as carry, but my answer will be what, 113. My answer will be what, 13. Okay, so this is my answer. This is nothing but 1 and this is nothing but carry. This is nothing but 3. Okay, so this is actually carry 1, but we will not consider it as a carry or something. We will just write down 1 and 3. What we have done, just look at this. We have converted the decimal numbers into BCD, that is we have written 4-bit binary number for these digits. So we got 2 BCD numbers. After getting the BCD numbers, next step is to add them like the binary addition. Using the binary addition rules, we will add them bit by bit. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. ट्रिपल 1 का एडिशन कैसे आएगा, 1 with carry 1, फिर 0 plus 1 will be 1, but this is not valid BCD because BCD numbers includes only 0 to 9 numbers and this is 13. So this is going beyond the 9. So we have to make it valid, and to make it valid or to convert into valid BCD, we are adding 0110, that is 6 in the invalid BCD. So 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, here also carry will come, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. So here you can see that these 4 bits I am getting and these 4 bits I am getting. So this is nothing but 1 and this is nothing but 3. This is what the BCD number for the 1 3, that is 13. So this is my BCD addition and this is how I will have to write down the answer. Okay, so this is what the BCD addition is. We will take another example. Okay, see the another example I have taken. Purposely I have taken with the decimal points so that you can understand easily. 87.65 to the base 10 plus 34.93 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base BCD. So this is what a question is. Now simply if I'll add these decimal numbers, what answer I am getting here I have shown you to the left hand side for your reference. Okay, so I have done this as, and my answer is coming as 122.58. Let us see whether I am getting this answer. Okay, you don't have to do this in the paper, but this is just for your reference. This is just for your verification whether you are getting the same answer. Okay, सो ये आपको करना नहीं है, ये मैंने आपको सिर्फ दिखाया है. ओके, अभी आप क्या करेंगे, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू कन्वर्ट दिस 87.65 ये डेसिमल नंबर, इसको हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, BCD में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू BCD. व्हाट टू डू टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू BCD, वी हैव टू राइट डाउन 4-bit बाइनरी फॉर एवरी नंबर, that is for every digit of the number. So my number is 87.65. So I'll write down 4-bit binary for every digit, that is 8, 7, 6, 5, every digit. So let us see how I have written here. 1000, that is this is 8, then 7, then this is 6 and this is 5. So 87.65 plus 34, that is 34. So 0011 0100, this is 34.93. So 93 का क्या आएगा, 1001 0011. This is 9, this is 3. So this is what first step I have written these decimal numbers into the BCD numbers, and then start adding using the binary addition rules. Okay, so let us start, or let us begin with the addition of bits. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Here there is no carry, so we cannot write down here carry, or we cannot carry on. Next is 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. Now after adding this, you can see that the addition contains 4 bits, but you can see that in these additions, you can see if this addition, if you can see these 4 bits, 1011, how much it is? 1011. ये क्या है एक्चुअली? 8 plus 2 plus 1, 8 plus 3, that is 11. So 11, here also it is 11, and this is 15. You can see these, if you can see these 4-bit binary numbers, you can easily identify that this is going beyond 9, right? This is 11, this is 11, and this is 15. Sorry, this is 13, this is 13. So 11, 11 and 15. ओके, सो 11, 11, 15 ये क्या हो गया? बियॉन्ड 9 जा रहा है. और BCD नंबर्स क्या है? BCD नंबर्स इंक्लूड्स ओनली 0 to 9, सो यू शुड नॉट गो बियॉन्ड 9. इसलिए ये जो 3 नंबर्स है ये क्या हो गए? इनवैलिड BCD हो गए. ओके, और ये जो 100 है ये क्या है? 8. तो ये करेक्ट है, मतलब ये आना चाहिए. ओके, और ये एज इट इज़ आप लिखेंगे. लेकिन ये जो नंबर्स है जो इनवैलिड है वो उसको हमने सर्च किया, एंड देन हमें पता है कि टू मेक इट वैलिड हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू ऐड 6 इन दैट. ओके, दिस इज़ द रूल फॉर BCD एडिशन. ओके, सो आफ्टर व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल ऐड देम, मतलब every 4 digit, below every 4 digit you will write below every invalid 4 digit binary BCD. ओके, ये जो 4-bit BCD है ये इनवैलिड BCD है, ये भी इनवैलिड BCD है, ये भी इनवैलिड BCD है. इसलिए उसको वैलिड बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? 6 को ऐड करना है. 6 को ऐड करना है, मतलब 0110 को हमें ऐड करना है. सिर्फ इनवैलिड में ही ऐड करना है, जो वैलिड नंबर आ रहा है उसमें हमें कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करना है. ओके, वी विल राइट इट एज इट इज़. So here I have written the 6 over here, and then start addition. So this 1 0 0 0 1 will come as it is, considering this as 0 0 0 0. Then 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0 with carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be what? 1 with carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 will be 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 1 with carry 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. Here also 1 plus 1 मतलब 0 with carry 1. Here also 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 टाइम 1 है, यानी कि 1 with carry 1. फिर 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So finally I am getting here carry. ओके, ये 4-bit नहीं है इसलिए मैंने इसको 4-bit बनाया है, क्योंकि BCD नंबर क्या होता है? बाइनरी कोडेड डेसिमल, मतलब 4-bit बाइनरी हमें लिखना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने यहाँ पे 3 0 इंसर्ट कर दिया और इसको भी 4-bit बनाया. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो डेसिमल पॉइंट से अगर हम यहाँ से लेफ्ट से जाते हैं तो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4, यानी कि एक 4 का ग्रुप हो गया, ये दूसरे 4 का ग्रुप, और ये तीसरे में सिर्फ एक ही बिट था, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 3 0 इंसर्ट कर लिए. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर? 0 0 0 1. ये कौन सा डेसिमल नंबर है? 1. 0 0 1 0 2, 0 0 1 0 2. दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट विल बी एज इट इज. देन 0 1 0 1 5, 1 0 0 0 8. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग माई आंसर एज 122.58. ओके, but my answer is not 122.58. my answer is this complete code. Okay, so what I have written here is as my answer. Okay, and you can verify that this is nothing but my this answer 122.58, which I got while adding the decimal numbers. Okay, this is for just verification. Okay, फिर से एक बार देखेंगे ये जो नंबर्स दिए हैं एडिशन के लिए. ओके, क्या एडिशन के लिए जो नंबर्स दिए हैं वो हमने क्या किया? पहले स्टेप में हमने जो नंबर्स दिए हैं उसको पहले BCD में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. BCD में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने वी हैव रिटर्न 4-bit बाइनरी फॉर एवरी डिजिट ऑफ दैट नंबर. 8 है तो हमने लिखा 1,000, 7 है तो 0,111, फिर पॉइंट वैसे ही दे दिया। फिर 6 के लिए हमने लिखा 0,110, देन अगेन 5 के लिए 0101, ऐसे हमने 34.93 के लिए भी हमने BCD लिखा। ये हो गई स्टेप 1। देन इन द स्टेप 2 वी हैव स्टार्टेड एडिशन बाय यूजिंग बाइनरी बिट्स एडिशन रूल्स, और फिर हमने एडिशन कर दी तो हमने देखा कि ये जो 3 BCD नंबर्स है ये इनवैलिड नंबर्स है, क्योंकि ये बियॉन्ड 9 जा रहे हैं, एंड वी नो दैट BCD नंबर्स इंक्लूड्स ओनली 0 to 9 नंबर्स। ओके, इन चारों में सिर्फ ये एक ही वैलिड है BCD, और ये तीनों BCD जो नंबर्स आ रहे हैं वो वैलिड नहीं है। सो दीज आर इनवैलिड नंबर्स, और जो इनवैलिड नंबर्स है उनमें उनको हमें वैलिड बनाना है, उसके लिए हमें 6 को ऐड करना है। सो वी हैव एडेड हियर 6 ओनली बिलो, वी हैव रिटर्न 6 ओनली बिलो दोज नंबर्स विच आर इनवैलिड। अगर इन दोनों में से अगर कोई एक ही इनवैलिड होता तो हम सिर्फ उसी में 6 ऐड करते, दोनों में नहीं। ओके, अगर सिर्फ ये नंबर इनवैलिड होता और ये नंबर वैलिड होता तो इसमें हम 0000 ऐड करते, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे किया है। एक्चुअली हमने यहाँ पे कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया है, इसका मतलब है कि हमने इसमें 0000 ऐड किया है। ओके, एंड देन डू द एडिशन सिमिलर टू द एडिशन ऑफ बाइनरी बिट्स एडिशन, एंड देन वी आर गेटिंग दिस फाइनली दिस कैरी। लेकिन ये जो कैरी है ये सिर्फ एक अकेला बचता है, इसलिए हमने इसको 4 बिट बनाने के लिए, 4 बिट बाइनरी बनाने के लिए 3 zeros इंसर्ट कर दिए, एंड देन वी गॉट दिस नंबर्स। सो दिस इज माय कंप्लीट आंसर फॉर द BCD नंबर। ओके, okay, so we have learned what are BCD numbers and how to add them and how to convert decimal numbers to BCD numbers, right? In the next session we will see the BCD subtraction. Till then, thank you, goodbye, have a good day.